Alright, creatives, you're welcome here. My name is Eddie Coulson, and in this particular tutorial, we are going to design this very beautiful happy weekend flare, as you can see on the screen. Looking very beautiful, simple, and yes, it's conveying the message that it needs to convey. So we are all going to design together. I would like you to pay very much attention and follow the tutorial well to know how I got this particular design. Yes. So first of all, let me get rid of this design so that we all can start afresh together. Let me come to home. So when you open your Canva app, this is going to be the interface of Canva. This is what you are going to see, right? So Canva is a great designing app or designing platform that you can design whatever you want to design here, right? And Canva always updates its system. It always adds some features to the system. It always changes some settings and some features in each app or website. But what you have to know is that all the tools that we use in normal designs or we use in everyday designs are always the same. So the reason why I'm saying this is because first, when I started using Canva, to get started with your design, the plus sign in this middle is where you need to tap. At first, it was at this side here, right? It was at this side. They have changed that. To get started with your design, you have to tap on this plus sign in this middle here. Now it's in the middle here. In case yours is in any part of the working space, tap on it. And I know yours will be in the middle here as well. So just tap on the plus sign here. Boom. Once you tap on this plus sign here we are going to choose the size for our design, right? So the size that we are going to use is a square size. Is a 1:1 ratio size. So we don't have it here. When you come here are the some sizes. We don't have it here, or even if you have it here, this is how you can get the size. Tap on custom size, right? Once you tap on custom size, let's make the weight 1080 and the height 1080. It's in pixels, right? So do it as I have done it. 1080 by 1080, right? So let's tap on create new design. Once you tap on create design, it will send you to your working space. Great. So here's my working space, and once it sends you here, it will automatically send you here to this page. So we don't want this page. I want you to show you something. So first of all, let's come back. Once it sends you, come back, tap on back on your phone, and then you will come back like this. Boom. Good. So this is your working space where we are going to work. So just tap on your working space like this. As you see, I just tap on it and you can see purple line around the working space. Let me tap here again. You see that here's the normal working space. When I tap on it, boom, you see that there's a purple line. Once the purple line is around the working space, that means the working space has been selected, right? So now let's come and replace it. That's the background. Let's come and replace the background with an image or with a picture from our gallery. So you come to replace. You see replace here. Just tap on replace, and then boom, it will send you to your gallery. It will automatically send it to your gallery. So you just come to your gallery and then you choose. I will give you the background and the image, the results you need. I'll give all of it to you. One thing you have to know is that Canva uses internet connection. So if your internet connection is not fast, it will delay in loading. It will not work fast for you. So make sure that you have a great internet connection. So I have the resource here. Where is it? So here's the background. Let me tap on it. Boom. So here's the background. Once I tap on it, it will automatically freeze the working space. As you can see, it has automatically taken the shape and everything of the background. So now this is our background. So tap on replace and choose this particular background for it, and it will replace it perfectly like this. Once it replaces it perfectly like this, let's tap on this white space anywhere, to this. Select the background, just tap on any place, and then now we are going to write something, right? So let's come to text. You see text here. Let's write, and when it comes to text, tap on add a text box. So we are going to write our text. Let's first write weekend, right? Weekend like this. let's tap on this close here and then close it and have it here. So let's select the text that we just wrote, and you see, make it big like this. You can tap on this edge, drag it like this to make it big, depend on the size you want. So we will make it big like this. We will come back to the size of it, but let's position it here. And let's come to font. You see font here. Good. Let's change the font of it. So we are going to use this particular. Once you tap on the font, it will appear this way. So tap here, this arrow pointing at the top. Yes, tap on it. So it will send you here. Then you see search. Let's search the font that we are going to use. The font name is League Spartan. Even if we search League, it will appear here. You see League Spartan. So let's tap on it, League Spartan. It has taken the fonts of it. It's very nice. So let's tap here, close and close it. So now let's come back to the size of it. As I said, let's make the size should be less. It should not be 98 is okay. Let's make it 98 or 97, and the two sizes okay, right? So let's come to color and let's change the color to white like this. Boom. So we have it here. Very nice. So what you are going to do is you will make sure that it's positioned well. Let me tap here and then let me see something. All right, so let's come to relative position, or let's come to position, right? Let's come to position and then position it. When it comes to position, to tap on align, you see, and then position in the center. It's already in the center. That's why it's highlighted. You see, it's already in the center. Better still, you can do it this way. When you are moving the text, you could see that there's this purple line that has divided the working space into half like this. You see this purple line, that means the text is in the middle. Once you see the purple line, just release your hand and it will be in the middle or in the center of the working space. Boom. So we have it here. Very good. We are going to copy this particular font 4 times. So let's tap on copy. You see copy here. You see copy, this copy, right? Let's tap on copy. Boom. Once you tap on copy, it will be here. Let's align it. Make sure that it is aligned with the fresh text. And as I said, when you move it and it is in the purple line appears in the center or in the middle of the working space, as you just see, you see that means it is in the center. So just release your hand and leave it like that. Good. So we are going to do it and position it well, and then we will tap on copy again. And once you tap on copy again, it will automatically align it. That's how Canva works. That's why Canva is a great app. Once you tap on it and it's positioned well, the second one is positioned well, or it's positioned well, the third one will follow suit without even you doing it. Are you getting it? So let's tap on fourth one and we see it better. Let's tap on copy. Fourth one, you see it has positioned perfectly. The space and everything is equal. It's now doing the work for us. Let's tap on it another one more time. Copy. Boom. You see that it has positioned very well. So that's it. Take your time. Canva is a very great app. If you take your time and use the tools well, you are going to get the best out of your design. So now let's close this particular here by tapping on this close here, and then let's come to gallery. We are going to bring the image that we are using. Let me come to this folder here. Is here. So I will choose, not here, sorry. All right, I will choose the image and it will be given to you. Here is the image. Boom. And you tap on the image, tap add page, and then it will be added to the page. You see that the image is now at the back of the text, right? We want it to come to front. So this is what we are going to do. Once the image is selected, come here, come to layer. You see layers, come to layers and then tap on layers, right? Let's tap on layers. And once you tap on layers, here's the layer. We are going to bring this image layer to the top. So tap on this dot here. You see this dot here, this dot here. You see the dot here. Tap there and hold. Once you tap and hold, it will move and try to drag it to the top of all the text. So we are going to try it again. You see, tap, hold, drag it to the top of the text, the weekend text. Let's bring it again. Let's drop it here. You see, and bring it again. let's drop it here. This one is playing stubborn here. Let's try it again. Better still, we can do it this way. Let's tap on more and let me see if I can bring it to front. At first they were having to front and to back options here. Let's see if you can see it. All right, let's see. It's not here anymore, so we can still use the layers to take your time, and then you see that it has come to front, just that one text is at the, it's not giving away. Okay, we can simply tap on that text and bring it to back. You see, very simple. I even forgot about that. So take your time and then do it. Once you have the image at the front of the text, just position it at this angle here. You see, position it at this angle here, and then use this slider here. Use this dot here to make it big, make it take the shape right there. Let the purple line around the image occupy the space like this. Boom. You see, it is now positioned well. Once it's positioned here, that means it's positioned in the center and positioned well in the working space, and everything's on point now. Can we say it's good? So we have it here. Now we are going to log the image. So this is how we are going to do it. We can come here, we come to more, and then come to log. Tap on log to log the image so that it will not move from its original place where you have positioned it. Good. So now let's close this particular one, and we are going to bring a shape, right? So come to element, tap on element here. You see element, tap there, and then tap on this shape. Let's select this particular shape, this square shape here. And once we select the shape, it will come here. Let's close it here. You see, close it here, and let's work on this particular shape. We are going to make this shape in a rectangle form like this. So drag it to this end and reduce the width of it or the height of it. I don't even know, right? So bring it here and position it well. Make sure that you see this this purple line that I talked about. You see, make sure that you see it appearing, and you can see that there's one purple square line there too. That means it has positioned well. You see, good. So let's leave it like this. Boom. And you come to color. Let's change the color of that particular shape, right? Let's change it to white. So we have changed the color of the shape to white. Or better still, we can use orange color for it. So we have orange color here. You see orange here. Let's use that orange for it. And boom, we have our color. Now let's tap here and close it. Boom, we have closed it. Now let's write a certain text. Come to text. You see text, and then tap on add a text box, and then we are going to write some words. We are going to write is, it should be is like this, is weekend again. Let's bring this dot here and write let's chill. Okay, let's write chill and enjoy. You see, enjoy, and then let's bring exclamatory mark, and then let's close it like this. Good. So we have this text here. You see, we are going to make it small. Let's tap on this side here and make it small like this, and let's tap on this side here to make it in one line form like this, and we can reduce the size again, right? And then we are going to position it in where we brought the shape, you see, and position it well. You can let the lines that will be appearing guide you to position it well. So it has been positioned well. Let's try. Good. It has been positioned well. And we can come to font, right? Let's change the font of it. I don't want the font to be bold like that. So let's tap on this arrow pointing at the top here like this. Boom. And then we will come here and then choose, or we will search Montserrat. You see Montserrat. Search this particular font. Here is it, Montserrat. Very thin font. We want it to be very thin. Good. So we have it here. Let's close this font page here, and then let's reduce the size. Let's come to size, font size, and see the size of it. The size is 19. Let's increase it a bit to 32. It's not bad. Let's close this here and let's work on it here. Good. So take your time when we are working on it. Let's make it in 3 lines. Better still, we can reduce the size. Let the size be small, right? You can use the size or any size that will fit it well. You can decide not to go with the size I'm using here because yours might be different, So we have it here. Let's come to size. I can show you the size. The size is 20. 20 is not bad. Right. Position, and then we come to align. It's already in the center. Good. So we have the text here like this. Boom. Very nice. Let me come to nudge and position it well. So I'm going to nudge it to the top. See what it will appear. You see that there will be a purple line appearing. That means it is in the middle of the shape. It's very important. Let's see if it will appear. Let's bring it down and see. You see the purple line just appeared. Let me show it again. You just see it just appeared. So we move it down. You see it just appeared. Let me show you. Good. It just appeared. That means it's both in the center and at the same time in the middle of that shape. Are you getting it? Let's close it. It's very important you note all these stuffs. Good. So we are almost done. We are 70% done. So now let's copy this particular text here. You see, we are going to copy that text, and then let's tap on copy. You see, copy here. Boom. Copy it, and then we are going to bring this one here, and we will come to edit. You see, edit. Tap on edit, and then write happy. Let's write happy in small letters. So we have the happy text here. We are going to change the size of it. You can make the size 35. Right, you can put in the size here 35, or better still, you can use this slider here, right, to give it the size. Once you get the size, we are using 35 this time. Good. So we have the size here. Let's close it here. Select this text and position it here. You see, position it here. Make it align with the W text, the W of the weekend. Let it align with it. Come to nudge, move it here. Boom. You see, very nice. So we have it here. Very nice. Good. Let's close it. And now we are done. We are literally done with the design. We are just going to bring some touches. I call this touches. It's not all that important, but it's going to give it a vibe, and it's going to make it look more appealing and more fun, So we are going to come to gallery. When you come to gallery, I'll give it to you. So you have to locate it from your gallery and then bring it to the working space. All right, so let's come to here. All right, it's here. Great. So let's bring it to the working space. Let's have to add to page and bring this particular image here. So we have it here. Boom. We're going to reduce the size a bit, right? Reduce the size a bit, and then use this portion here. You see this, rotate this thing here. Use it to rotate it. Use it. You can rotate it wherever you want. I think we have to rotate it to here, and then all right, and then bring it here. You see, but I think the size is too big. Reduce it a bit, and then reduce it like this, and then bring it here. Boom. So we have one image here. We can copy it, tap here to copy it, and bring another one here. This time reduce the size of it, make it very small, and then use this tool here to move it. You see, move it here. Great. So now let's copy it again, bring it here, and then rotate it like this. Position one here. Boom. We have it here. We can reduce this one size a bit, make it very small, and then move it here. Boom. So we are done. That's left with one of the touchings. So I'll come to my gallery again, and then I will locate it here. I think it's somewhere here. So you have to make sure you locate it and then bring it to the working space. Alright, it's here. So we tap on it, and then we add to page. Good. We are going to reduce the size of it very small like this. You see, and then move it. Position it here. We are done. guys, we are done. That's very beautiful flyer here. Happy weekend flyer. Make sure you follow the video very well, watch the tutorial very well, understand it very well, understand the concept, and try your hands on it and submit it as your assignment. You can check the description for the resources, or better still, check the group for it. My name is Eddie Golson. It's good having you here. You can save your design here by tapping here. You see, tap there to save your design. It will be saved as image in your gallery. Then you submit it as an assignment. See you. Bye.